Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. A 50-kilogram crate starts from rest on a horizontal surface. A horizontal force P equal to 200 newtons is applied to the crate. The coefficient of kinetic friction between the crate and the ground is mu sub k equal to 0.3. Determine A, the distance the crate travels, and B, its velocity when t equals 3 seconds. Now, let us work through the solution step by step. Let's start by identifying everything we know. We have a 50-kilogram crate starting from rest on a flat surface. A horizontal force of 200 newtons pushes it forward, and there's kinetic friction opposing the motion with a coefficient of 0.3. We want to find how far the crate travels and how fast it's moving after 3 seconds. Drawing a free body diagram, we have weight pulling down, the normal force pushing up, the applied force to the right, and friction-resisting motion to the left. Because the crate doesn't accelerate vertically, the net vertical force is 0. This means the normal force exactly balances the weight. The weight is 50 times 9.81, giving us a normal force of 490.5 newtons. The kinetic friction force equals the coefficient of kinetic friction times the normal force. That gives us 0.3 times 490.5, which equals 147.15 newtons opposing the motion. Applying Newton's second law horizontally, the net force equals mass times acceleration. The applied force of 200 newtons minus friction of 147.15 newtons equals 50 times acceleration. The net force is 52.85 newtons, so the acceleration is 52.85 divided by 50, which is approximately 1.057 meters per second squared. Because the acceleration is constant, we use the kinematic equation. Final velocity equals initial velocity plus acceleration times time. Starting from rest, the velocity at 3 seconds is 1.57 times 3, which gives approximately 3.17 meters per second. For the distance, we use the displacement equation. Distance equals initial velocity times time plus 1/2 times acceleration times time squared. With 0 initial velocity, this simplifies to 1/2 times 1.57 times 9, which equals 4.75 meters. Summarizing our results. After 3 seconds, the crate has traveled approximately 4.75 meters and has a velocity of about 3.17 meters per second. We can verify this using the third kinematic equation. V squared equals 2 times acceleration times distance, which gives the same velocity of 3.17 meters per second, confirming our answer is correct. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.